Okay, hello. This is the first in a couple videos I'll make about solving absolute value equations and inequalities. So we just talked about this first one over here, where we have the absolute value of x equals 5. So what we're looking for are the values of x that make this true. So it's always helped me to think about what this actually means. So what this literally means is the thing inside the parentheses, so in this case it's just a variable, is literally 5 units away from 0. So if we think about a number line, this is kind of obvious, but it helps when we get to more complicated ones. If we think about a number line, we think, what are the things that are 5 away from 0? Well, if there's 0, it's 5 and negative 5. So those are the things that are 5 away from 0. So what's inside the absolute value symbol is 5 units away from 0. So what's inside there is either negative 5, because that's one number that's 5 away from 0, or positive 5, which is 5 away from 0. Now this is a simple example. These equations are already solved, so that's how we get the answer to that. Now, like I said, that is more complicated of an analysis than we would need to do for that question, but that same logic, I think, helps for much more complicated questions. Let me show you what I mean. So on this next equation, we have, again, an expression inside of an absolute value symbol, but in this case, the expression is a little bit more involved. But the same logic applies. So if we think about our number line once again, we're saying, what are the things that are 5 away from 0? Well, 5 and negative 5 again. But in this case, all the stuff inside the absolute value symbol is 5 units away from 0. So that creates two equations once again. 2x plus 3 could be equal to negative 5, or 2x plus 3 could be equal to positive 5. In either case, it's got to be 5 units away from 0. And now we just have to go through the extra steps of saying, okay, well, what value of x would make that expression be 5 units away from 0? So we solve each of these equations. So 2x equals negative 8, so x equals negative 4. Then over here we have 2x equals 2, or x equals 1. And again, this is an or, because one of them or the other one would make it